Welcome to Invest and Empower. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Effective email marketing strategies. Email marketing can be a powerful tool for promoting your digital products and nurturing relationships with your audience. Here are some effective strategies to make the most out of your email marketing efforts. Build a targeted email list. Focus on building an email list of engaged subscribers who are genuinely interested in your content and digital products. Offer a valuable lead magnet, such as a free ebook, checklist, or exclusive content, to encourage visitors to sign up for your email list. Ensure your sign-up forms are prominently displayed on your website, blog, and social media platforms. Optimize sign-up forms. Place sign-up forms strategically on your website, blog, and landing pages. Use clear and concise copy to explain the benefits of subscribing to your email list. Keep the form fields minimal to reduce friction and make it easy for visitors to sign up. Consider using pop-up or slide-in forms to capture attention and encourage subscriptions. Provide subscription incentives. Offer additional incentives to encourage visitors to subscribe to your email list. This can include exclusive discounts, freebies, access to a members-only area, or early access to new products or content. The added value can entice more people to join your email list. Use social media promotion. Leverage your social media platforms to promote your email list. Create posts and stories highlighting the benefits of subscribing, and include a call to action to join your list. Consider running social media ads targeting your ideal audience to expand your reach and attract new subscribers. Guest blogging and collaboration. Write guest blog posts for popular websites or collaborate with influencers and content creators in your niche. Include a call to action in your guest posts or collaborations to direct readers back to your website and encourage them to subscribe to your email list. Host webinars or online events. Organize webinars, workshops, or online events around topics related to your expertise. Require attendees to register using their email address, providing an opportunity to grow your email list while offering valuable content and engagement. Segment your email list. Divide your email list into different segments based on factors like interests, demographics, or purchasing behavior. This allows you to send more personalized and relevant emails to each segment, increasing engagement and conversion rates. Segmenting your list also enables you to target specific promotions or product recommendations to the right audience. Craft compelling subject lines. The subject line is the first thing your subscribers see, so it's crucial to make it attention-grabbing. Use clear, concise, and compelling subject lines that pique curiosity or offer a specific benefit. Personalize subject lines when possible, and /p test different variations to optimize open rates. Provide valuable content. Focus on providing valuable content in your emails that educates, entertains, or solves your subscribers' problems. Share tips, tutorials, case studies, industry insights, or exclusive content related to your digital products. Strive to build trust and position yourself as an authority in your niche. Utilize engaging email designs. Create visually appealing and mobile responsive email designs that align with your brand. Use images, graphics, and formatting to enhance the visual appeal and readability of your emails. Keep the layout clean and organized, and use concise and scannable content to make it easy for subscribers to consume the information. Keep it clean and organized. Use a clean and well-organized layout for your emails. Avoid cluttered designs that overwhelm readers. Keep the design simple, ensuring that the content is easy to read and navigate. Use plenty of white space to give your emails a clean and uncluttered look. Use eye-catching visuals. Incorporate visually appealing elements in your emails to grab attention. Include relevant images, graphics, or illustrations that complement your message and resonate with your brand. Ensure that the visuals are high quality, optimized for email, and align with your brand's visual identity. Optimize for mobile. With the majority of people accessing emails on mobile devices, it's crucial to optimize your email designs for mobile responsiveness. Use responsive design techniques to ensure your emails adapt to different screen sizes. Test your emails on various devices and email clients to ensure they look great on mobile. Implement consistent branding. Maintain consistent branding across your emails to reinforce your brand identity. Use your brand colors, fonts, and logo consistently in your email designs. This helps subscribers recognize and associate your emails with your brand. Use attention-grabbing subject lines. Enhance the visual impact of your emails by creating attention-grabbing subject lines. Experiment with font styles, sizes, and colors to make the subject line stand out. Consider using animated or dynamic subject lines to capture attention and pique curiosity. Incorporate call-to-action (CTA) buttons. Include clear and compelling call-to-action buttons in your emails. Whether it's to direct subscribers to your sales page, encourage them to download a free resource, or invite them to join a webinar, make the CTA buttons stand out. Use action-oriented and persuasive language to drive clicks and conversions. Automate email sequences. Set up automated email sequences or drip campaigns to nurture your subscribers over time. Create a welcome series for new subscribers, onboarding sequences for customers, or targeted sequences based on specific actions or behaviors. Automating your emails ensures consistent communication and helps guide subscribers through the customer journey. Define your goals. Determine the purpose and goals of your email sequence. Are you aiming to nurture leads, onboard new customers, promote a product, or re-engage inactive subscribers? Clearly defining your objectives will help you structure your email sequence effectively. Choose an email marketing platform. Select a reliable email marketing platform that offers automation features. Popular options include MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, and Drip. These platforms provide intuitive tools to create and schedule automated email sequences. Map out the sequence, visualize and plan the flow of your email sequence. Outline the number of emails, their purpose, and the time intervals between each email. Consider the subscriber's journey and create a logical progression of content to achieve your goals. Welcome series. Start with a welcome email series to introduce new subscribers to your brand and set expectations. Customize the content based on their interests or the actions they took to join your email list. Use this opportunity to deliver a lead magnet or valuable resources. Segmentation and personalization. Segment your subscribers based on their interests, behavior, or demographics. This allows you to personalize the content and tailor it to specific segments. Use dynamic content or merge tags to insert personalized details, such as the subscriber's name or relevant product recommendations. Personalize your emails. Use personalization to make your emails feel more personalized and relevant. Address subscribers by their name and consider tailoring the content based on their preferences or previous interactions. Personalized emails can foster a deeper connection with your audience and improve engagement. Test and optimize. Continuously test and optimize your email campaigns to improve their effectiveness. Experiment with different subject lines, email copy, CTAs, and design elements to identify what resonates best with your audience. Analyze open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to make data-driven decisions and refine your email marketing strategy. Monitor and analyze results. Use email marketing analytics to track the performance of your campaigns. Monitor metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and unsubscribe rates to gauge the effectiveness of your emails. Use this data to identify trends, understand subscriber behavior, and make informed adjustments to optimize your future campaigns. Remember to comply with email marketing regulations, such as obtaining consent and providing an easy unsubscribe option. Also, avoid overwhelming your subscribers with excessive promotional emails. Strive for a balanced approach that combines value-driven content with strategic product promotions to maintain engagement and trust. By implementing these strategies, you can leverage the power of email marketing to effectively promote. This is it for today's video. What do you think about our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.